Welcome to Aspen TV. Today we are going to learn how to design this simple flyer. Because of the beginners on my channel, I will not rush. I will go small, slow, so that they will understand. Quick, let's go. Ctrl+N to create your canvas, and the width of the canvas is 16 inches, 17 inches, 100 resolution. Then click OK. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments so that we know how we can help you. So now, first of all, we are going to design this flyer, this one. So as we are going to do, first of all, you design the background first. So you will pick your shape tool, then you draw a big shape like this. So this is the shape. Now you extend it. Just extend it to this level like that. Then you click OK. So click on the image, the shape, to change the color to gradient. Watch here to gradient. Then you pick your light blue and green. Then you change the direction from 90 degrees to 360 like this to make it. Alright, so you hold Alt, then you push this one to this side to make it more visible. You hold Alt, OK. You can see it is almost the same as this one, and you need to push it back a little bit again. So you click on it, you hold Alt, then you push it a little bit, then push this one back. Okay, nice one. So what we are going to do now is we are going to place our image here, and before that, let's add some background images on it. My images, I downloaded it on Google. You can type African symbols background, then they will give you. So far, you come to place embedded, then I will go to my document where I saved those pictures I used for the background. So it's my new folder. So I will first of all pick this one. When I pick this one, then I will reduce the opacity. So you reduce the opacity to this limit like that, and place it down below this design or artwork. So this is how it will look. Then rest, reduce it more. Yeah. So make the opacity 2. Make it 2 like this. Make it 2. So after making it 2, then you go back again. I'll place this embedded, this one there, and this image will be on top of the background. Then I'll pick my eraser magic tool. So magic eraser tool, I'll click on OK. So I will remove the white color from that. So now we are going to increase the size of this artwork. Then we place it here. After placing it, what you are going to do is we will reduce the opacity. So let's reduce it a little bit. Then we will place the image we are going to do. This is the image. I've already removed the background. If you want to know how to remove the background of a picture, you can check my videos. I have it there. So just push it there and place it here. Nice one. So you just fix the picture, you fix the image here like this. This is it. So let's push it a little bit. So this is the image we are placing here. So still let's reduce the opacity a little bit like this. So since we are done, let's increase this blue image. When we are increasing it, push it a little bit. I want it to be on top of his eyes like that. Then I'll push this one down. Him himself, I'll push him down. So a little bit like this. Then the picture will come down. So what you are going to do is we will add some rectangular shape here. As you can see in the design, we have this rectangular shape, yellow, orange, gradient color. So I'll draw it here. After drawing it, I'll pick this one. I'll just pick it. I'll change the rotation of the image to this side, and I'll move this one a little bit here, and move it again. is okay. So what we are going to do is we push it to this side the picture, then reduce the size a little bit. Yes, this is how it's going to be. So now we are good to go. Click OK to fix the picture again. So since we are done now, we will print the school logo because it is for SRC. So what we are going to do is we pick your ellipse shape, then pick your ellipse shape, then you draw your ellipse shape, make the color fill white, pick normal color and make it white like this. Then I'll make the stroke blue black. Yeah, then I'll increase it a little bit. Okay, so we'll make the fill color white. Okay, then we will place the logo, place embedded. I will search for the logo, the school logo is below here. That's my technical college of education. I will take my time next time to teach you how to set your Photoshop interface and everything to fix your own understanding of using Photoshop. So you place the logo on the shape, then you right click on the logo, then you select clipping marks, then it will automatically enter the shape you have created. So now what we are going to do is we will fix it according to how the circle looks, so that it will be with the limits of our work. So, as a designer, don't think you cannot copy someone's design or anything. You see someone working, just pick it. So now we are going to group it. Hold Alt Control, then you select the ellipse layer and the image, then Control G to group it. So you can name it logo for clarify understanding. And don't forget, because of machine can turn down and light can go off at any time and you can lose anything. Control S to save your work where you have worked, where you have reached. So I will name it Jeff tutorial. Sorry for that. Okay, so and I will place it here. So just click OK and go. Then automatically it will save. So what you are going to do is I will reduce the size of this document. And don't forget that what we are doing now, we are just redrawing this, we are redesigning this. So let's go. So we have saved it and it is here. What we are going to do now is we will type the school name here. So it is Mampong Technical College of Education. So Technical College of Education. What you will do is we will reduce the size by holding shift. We will drag it to this side, then fix it under that. Then we put the move tool on it, hold Alt, drag it down to duplicate, or Control G to duplicate. So you can clear it and write student representative, representative council. Yeah, so this is it. So that's SRC. SRC flyer. So now we are okay. We are good to go. So let's reduce that size small so that it will differ from the school name. Okay, so now we are good to go. What we are going to do now is we are going to add these names here. You have declaration of intent, and after that there is a shape here, as you can see it on the screen. So we are going to pick that shape and reduce the opacity. So you pick your shape tool, then you draw the shape. So this is the color, but I'll pick this one, pick this color. Let me check the color code for you so that you will get it right. Okay, you let me go this way first so that everything will be okay. Let me pick the color. Then I'll check the color code so that everything fix. So this is the color code. The color code is 3B8 2A8. Yeah, that's the color code. So those of you who are redesigning with me, let's move. So you increase the shape a little bit and push it to this side like that. So let's reduce the opacity of it down a little bit like this. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's add some shadow to the shape. So pick your shadow, let's move it here. Let's increase the opacity of the shadow. Then the distance should be back small like this. Then you increase the spread, make it dark, then reduce the size. So the size is 18 and the spread is 20 and the distance is 9. Our opacity is 82. So now we are good to go. Let's go fast. So we can move it to this side and we push the image backwards a little bit to get more space for our written words. So let's go. This is what we are going to do. We are going to design this. We are just designing this. So as you can see, so now we will add some shadow to the picture. Let's add shadow to the picture so that it will look realistic. Yeah, so we pick the shadow. Let's change the location to this side. Let's make it 173. Use the opacity, move the distance, and increase the size. So look at the difference in it. So this is it. So let's increase the opacity small like this. Then this is the size, little bit. The spread is 20, the distance is 59, and the size is 81. So the opacity is 40 for the image. Now click OK. We are good to go. So we can see our image is neatly fixed on the shape. So let's reduce this, the size of that, so that we can place the name or the letters there. So what we are going to do now is we are going to check this one nicely and check this one. Okay, so we will increase the size, like this. Push down. Let's push it down a little bit like that. We are good to go. So let's check how we fix this one. You see, the picture is good, but here the picture is small. So let's fix it on screen. Yeah. So now check this and check that. So let's push the picture on top. Increase the size of the picture. Yeah, let's increase the size of the picture like this. This side. And we are good to go. Let's move this down a little bit. So what you're going to write is, now we are going to write the declaration of intent. Declaration of intent. Let's move it here and change the color flow to white. After changing it to white, we will push this down like this. Then we take our move to and increase the size by holding shift. Drag it to the specific place you want it to be. So declaration of intent. This is it. So you check the old picture like this and you check the new picture. So perfectly, everything is done nicely. We are good to go. Let's go. We are just comparing this to that, and we make it all right. Everything should be nice. So you see where everything is fixing. Now let's go. We are good to go now. So what we are going to change is, let's change the font style of the decoration. Then we will pick the font style. The name is Ava Meridian. Ava Meridian. Yeah, Ava Meridian. Then we push it, we reduce the size. Let's reduce the size a little bit like this. Declaration of intent. Yeah. So what you are going to do is you are going to type the necessary information he just provided, and he provided it in the WhatsApp. But since I have already done it, I don't want to type it into it. Is a long process and it will delay our time in the design. So I will just copy and paste it here. So this is it. So these are the work for that design. So I'll just steal it from this place. I'll just move it. Since I have already typed it, I'll pick it. I'll close the group and I'll turn on this one. So I'll move it on top. Okay. I'll place it down. Then what I'll turn off is I'll turn this one off like this. The declaration of intent, I will turn it off. I already have this one, so I'll turn this one off. I'll turn this off. I'll turn this off. Yeah. This is what I need. So now let's go on top of the design. So we are going to move it and fix it on the screen so that everything will be nice. I've already typed it, so I don't want to type it. It's too long to delay our video and our time as well. So now we increase the size a little bit and push it backwards again. I hope you are enjoying the design. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And so there are some necessary things. I will turn it off again in it. And the hashtags. For the hashtags. These are the hashtags. So this is what we are going to type. So I just place it. I don't want to type it to delay our time. So we are here. This is it. And we are going to type the name of the design or the name of the SRC as parent. We will reduce this on top like this. I'll do this. So you type SRC Financial Secretary hopeful. So then you type the name Bar Sinti. Name is Bar Sinti Jeffrey. This is the name. Let's change the font style and the size. So we will pick the home. Yeah, pick the home. This one, let's pick AG Forensic. Yeah, AG Forensic. Then you increase the size from here to here. This is the name Bar Sinti Jeffrey. SRC Financial Secretary hopeful. So now we are good to go. As you can see, I've already typed this. Let me increase the size of the text that will be visible a little bit. Nice. We are good to go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your comment in the comment section. Anything you don't understand, anything you want us to help you, will come to. So yeah, we are going to type some hashtags, and the name of the hashtag is, just give me some clues to use. So we have this one here and the other one there. So this is that we just move it on top. The hashtag is the Chronicles of BG's title. It's not necessary for you to know. What is necessary is you can design it, because this is some information. So if you are able to do this, then you are done. So you can check the previous design, check the current design, previous design, and the current design. So let's increase the size of the D. So the size of the D should be 90, 80. I made it 80. Remember, I made it 80. Remember, I made it 80. Yeah, 80 like this. So can push it down. Then we are done now. So since we are done, just click Control S to save again. Then Control Shift S that save as. Then we change the saving format from PSD to image form, so that you can share for people who want to blend what you are doing or want to see your actual design. So this is the process to design a simple declaration of in-depth flyer. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.